Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Local Learning. In this video we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics class 6th chapter 10 basic geometry exercise 10 question 2. Name the line segments and rays in the following figures. We have to name the line segments and the rays in these following figures. The first one is A, E, B, F, C, G. Now this is your figure. You have to see what are line segments and rays. So line segments we discussed, they go from one point all the way to the other point. This is the shortest distance. Rays also we discussed, right? Basically ray is what you go from here, right, from one point, and then the other point is extendable. That means rays originate from one point and they can be extended in any one direction, right? You know that a line segment or ray, they have two ends, right? This and this. So in a line segment you cannot extend this. It is limited to these points only, A and B. Let's say for now this is your line segment. Now here in this ray, if you see C and D, let's say, so this is not limited, right? You can see here, make a mark here. So you can see C is the point which cannot be moved, but D is the point that has an arrow. Arrow indicates you can extend it this side, right? So this is the difference between line segment and ray. Now let us see here carefully what are the line segments first of all, right? So first one, you'll see line segments are basically you have to look for the points on the line. These points you cannot take because they are representing the arrow, right? You can see this arrow that is there in front of them, they are representing that arrow. So you cannot take these points because they will come under ray. Why? Because arrow means you can extend and line segment cannot be extended. So look for points, simple points. You can see A, B and C. So now in these 3 points we have to make as many line segments as we can. We have to name as many line segments. First one will be AB, and then you will have CAB and then BC, and then A all the way to CAC, right? And the way of writing line segments is very simple. Just put a line on top of these two names, right? This is how we name the line segments. Now rays. Rays can be extended in one direction, so you have to look for a point and an arrow as well. See A and F. A is a point, F is a arrow. So this is AE, right? So not AF, AE. And now you have the second one, BF and then CG. All of these you can see A, B, C are the points, E, F, G are those points that are basically representing this arrow. That means it can be extended further on. And the way of writing rays is a bit different from line segment. Instead of just drawing a line on top, you also make an arrow like this, right? Arrow to the right. Same for all the line segments, right? Like this, right? Now let's move on to the next part now. Now see the next one, A, B, C, D, E. So you have to again name the line segments and the rays. Let's begin, right? I'll write the line segments first. So see what we'll have. First of all, you look for the points first. See, you can see A and E, again they are with the arrow, so we can't take them. Look for the other points B, C and D. So make line segments from this only. See how you can make it. First you can see C and B, these two are being connected, and then you can see C and D are also being connected. So make it this way, B, C, or you can name it any either ways, it doesn't matter. But since the answer is given C, B, so I'll write it that way only, and then C and D. And as I said, you have to put a line on top. If you don't make it, then your answer becomes wrong. Then you have ray, right? Let's see the rays as well. So look for these arrows, right? A, B, right? E and D, or you can say B, A, D, E, right? Any other ray, is it possible? No, right? So simply just put arrows on top of these and that's done. Let's move on to the next part now. Now see the third part, right? Again you have a few things here. P, Q, R, S are your points, right? Let's begin with the line segment first. So you can see we have to look for simple points. One can be Q, one can be R. P and S are not eligible for this. So first will be QR, right? Any other line segment you can think of? No, right? So this is the only line segment we can make in this figure, because again, if you go for any other point, you can see that it is having arrows, and line segment is just simple points, right? Then see the rays as well. You have two rays here that you can make. This is gone now, forget about this. You have this one and you have this one, right? QP and RS. So do that, QP, right? And what else? RS, right? How do you mark the rays? By putting an arrow to the right. And this is your answer. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and bye.